Hello, welcome to the business where you will be chatting with foreigners and you get paid. First, I want to congratulate you for taking your first move. I'm going to guide you step by step how I made my 116,000. I come from Kenya. Maybe you come from Uganda or you come from any other country apart from Kenya. I want to tell you that this business is available in all countries in the world. So even if you're coming from Cameroon, you're coming from Ghana, feel most welcome. This video is going to guide you on how you are going to chat with foreigners and you get paid. You can see here, I have just made 116,000. This account I just created less than 1 month ago. And you also, maybe you are a beginner. You are asking yourself, are you going to make money? Yes, you are going to make money. Just watch the video step by step. I'm going to guide you how you are going to register up to how you are going to make your first earnings. Okay? So, I want to guide you step by step how you are going to become a member of this company. Okay? So, you are going to click this link. And also you can decide to text me on email. I hope you are seeing. So you are going to click this link. Then it is going to take you to this page. Make sure you read whatever is there. And if you want to start immediately, or if you want to know more about the business, you are going to watch this video. And if you want to join immediately and start the business, you are going to click where it is written register now here. I hope you are seeing. You are going to click that link. Okay? Since TikTok does not allow direct clicking of links, you are going to join using the browser. I think you are seeing three dots up here. I hope you are seeing the three dots up here. Yes. So you are going to click there. Then you are going to choose open in browser. You are going to click open in browser. Yes, then after that, it is going to bring you here. I want to take you through step by step how you are going to put your details and how you are going to create your account. So you are going to put, let's say your name is Kevin. Don't just write your name Kevin, just write Kevin even 254. Make sure you don't forget your name. And let's say your phone number, you are coming from Kenya. You are going to choose your country. You are going to choose your country, Kenya. If you're coming from Cameroon, you are going to choose, make sure you choose your country code. Then you are going to put your phone number. For example, I come from Kenya. This is how I'm going to put it. I hope you are seeing. Then you are going to put your email address, okay? You are going to put your email address. So, since these are examples of my email address, okay? Then I'm going to put the password. Make sure you put the password you are not going to forget. I can decide to put my password. Make sure you confirm your password. Make sure you confirm the same password that you used while creating your account, okay? After that, you are going to click create account. I hope you are seeing very well. And it is going to take you, make sure you save your password up here. You can see. Make sure you save your password so that you don't forget it. Make sure you save your password. Then after that, it is going to tell you to buy the US account where you will chat with foreigners. You can decide to click activate if the same number is in M-Pesa. You click activate, or you can use the manual way. I hope you are seeing the manual way here. So you are going to click it. If you are paying using another phone number, then you are going to follow this procedure. After paying, you are going to put your the M-Pesa code. I hope you are seeing here. For example, this one. And also, if you want to text me directly, just click here. I hope you are seeing this one. It will take you to Telegram. Just click it, and also it will tell you to copy the link because you can't click it directly, but you're now going to use the browser, the three dots. I hope you are seeing. Click the three dots, then proceed with browser, and it is going to take you directly to my inbox, and I'm going to teach you. Yes, so this is where you are going to chat with foreigners. After creating your account and paying the registration fee or buying the US account, after doing everything, you are going to be shown where you are going to chat with foreigners. For example, this one, you are going to click chat online. Then you are going to choose whether you are a male or female. Then you are going to proceed. Those foreigners are within there and you are going to be paid. And you can see how I have been withdrawing money in this business. You can see. And if you see here, there is nothing like 500. It is 600, 600, 700, 13,000, yes, 9,000. So the least you can make in this business is 500. So you will be making money daily. You will be able to pay your bills. You will be able to even take your children to school. You will pay your bills just by chatting with foreigners. So take this opportunity very serious, and you can see how I have been making money. How I wish you be part of the working team. You start making money just the way